Greetings, fellow React enthusiasts. Welcome back to another enlightening chapter of our ReactJS tutorial series. I'm Shani Sinojiya, and today we're delving into the world of useRef hook. This hook is a secret weapon for managing mutable values and interacting with DOM elements in our functional components. Whether you're a seasoned React developer or just embarking on your journey, you're in for a treat. Agenda: understanding the role and benefits of useRef, exploring use cases for useRef in functional components. Leveraging useRef for DOM manipulation. Example: building an interactive focus input app. Understanding the use of the useRef hook. Before we dive into the code, let's get a grasp of what the useRef hook brings to the table. useRef isn't just about referencing DOM elements, it's also about persisting values across renders without causing re-renders. Let's unlock its potential together. Using useRef for DOM element manipulation. One of the prime use cases for useRef is interacting with DOM elements directly. Let's take a look at a simple example where we'll focus on an input element when the component mounts. Preserving values across renders with useRef. But useRef isn't limited to just manipulating DOM elements. It's also a fantastic tool for preserving values across renders without causing re-renders. This can be incredibly useful in certain scenarios, such as managing animations or counters. Practical example: building an interactive focus management feature. Now, let's put our understanding of useRef to the test by building an interactive focus management feature that will highlight its power. And there you have it, the useRef hook demystified. You now possess the ability to effortlessly interact with DOM elements and store values persistently across renders. Isn't that fantastic? If you found this tutorial valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more enriching ReactJS content. Stay tuned as we continue our journey through the exciting world of React. Happy coding!